आज के सेशन में हम कंक्रीटिंग की मेथोडोलॉजी के बारे में जानकारी देंगे। We'll begin this with study of design and drawing. The concreting of any structure will require the grade of concrete and the volume of concrete. The principal purpose of study of drawing is to provide accurate details and measurement of each component of the concrete member. This is basically a key element that enables the site engineering staff and the subcontractors to carry out the concreting activity at the project site. Second, preparation and estimation of total quantities. You need to focus on the screen. Here you have the formula which is required to calculate the total volume of concrete for the slab, total volume of concrete required for beams, total volume of concrete required for columns. Now, design mix and grade of concrete. The mix design for various grades are carried out in the lab and finalized and approved by the competent authority. Intimation to concerned department for supply of concrete. The project site manager shall be responsible for ensuring that the works are carried out in accordance with SOP and ITP. The site engineer shall initiate a concrete request with location, grade and quantity and the name of the contractor along with time. The site batching plant will supply concrete based on requirements to the site. Concrete will be placed by concrete pumps or by the chutes or directly from the transit mixture depending upon elements to receive concrete. It should be ensured that there is safe access for the transit mixture so that chances of accident or other mishappening is avoided during the concreting process. Site batching and mixing of concrete. First, batching plant. Calibration as per IS codes every 3 months for structural concrete. This is ensured by quality control and assurance team at the project site. Material storage facilities and availability of adequate quantity of all the materials like cement, fly ash, sand, aggregates, admixtures, and microsilica are maintained at the batching plant before commencement of concrete. Arrangement for workability control, batch record sheets, and slump. Now we'll see the transportation of concrete. Arrangement for timely delivery of concrete will be ensured by mechanical team by deploying the required number of transit mixture at the batching plant. For the transportation, each day's concrete program shall be properly scheduled and informed to the quality and mechanical head 1 day in advance. This is to ensure that all the arrangements like materials, manpower, and machines are arranged so that the concrete works are completed quickly. Pre-concreting requirements. First, reinforcement works are as per approved BDS. In short, no reinforcement touch the forms at any location. Proper cover blocks are placed. All the shuttering works are done as per the required dimension and supported securely and are in line and level. Staging works for decks are as per the approved design. In short, approved shuttering oil is used at the time of fixing of homework. No black oil should be allowed since the concrete surface turns black after de-shuttering is done. Entrapped air words will also be released if substandard entrapped air words used. Tightness and sealing of joints. Final cleanup of the deck shuttering in case of slabs by air compressor or water jet before commencement of concreting. Proper arrangement for vibration of concrete, needle vibrators, perform work vibrators as per the core condition. Skilled manpower is available and process of concreting is explained through toolbox talk with the workers. Proper safety arrangements if pouring at heights with a safe working platform. Quality control engineer or staff to be present at pour location to check the workability of concrete and coordinate with the batching plant staff. Proper curing arrangement should be ensured. Asian growth in case curing is being done by water and curing compound if there is shortage of water at the project location. Now we'll see the compaction of concrete. First point, a minimum of 2 concrete vibrators shall be on site for each concrete placement to ensure that second is used in case one of the vibrator breaks down. The ambient temperature shall be minimum 12 degrees and maximum of 35 degrees. Concrete shall be placed in horizontal layers in proper level so that proper layer is visible after de-shuttering is done. Workability of fresh concrete shall be checked before commencement of concrete at the pour location, and if found improper, then modification needs to be done by adding admixture. In case the slump is reduced, concrete shall be thoroughly compacted by vibration during the operation of placing and thoroughly worked around the reinforcements, embedded fixtures, and the corner of formwork to form a solid mark free from voids. During casting, concrete samples shall be taken for compressive strengths at 7 and 28 days. The number of samples will depend on the quantity of poured and will be governed by IS 456. Vinyl shall be inserted vertically, shall penetrate the bottom of the uppermost layer and by at least 50 mm into the previous layer. Insertion of the vibrator shall be such that the field of action shall overlap. Care shall be taken that over vibration does not happen, so as to ensure that the tie rods do not break or slip due to the pressure of concrete. The curing process is critical for fresh concrete to gain the required design strength. Improperly cured concrete tends to exhibit extensive cracking due to shrinkage. In case OPC is used, a minimum of 7 days of curing is required. In case the PPC is used, minimum 14 days curing is required. Post-concrete inspection. First thing first, we have to ensure that curing is being done properly by placing the wet Hessian cloth in case of columns and walls. Water bonding is done in case of raft or slabs by creating bunds. Inspect the surface after de-shutter. Check if it is free of voids and honeycombs. If honeycomb is visible, ensure that it is repaired. We will now discuss about the major and minor repairs on the concrete. In no case, repairs should be allowed without inspection after the de-shuttering has been done. The repairs should be under strict supervision of senior engineers and as per the approved method statement. The material to be used has to be as per the grade of concrete, type of structure, and type of repair to be carried out. The repair methodology has to be established in consultation with quality control team. Ensure all loose concrete is removed before undertaking any repairs. Use a chisel to remove all loose concrete and ensure sound concrete depth is achieved. We will now discuss about the minor repairs, that is cosmetic repair. First, the surface is repaired by skilled person by applying proper combination of white cement, fly ash and grey cement to match the color of concrete surface to be repaired. A trial patch should be done to establish the quantity of grey cement and white cement to the mix to ensure the color matches with the surface. Repair can also be done with mortar prepared with proper repair material or ready-to-use repair materials available in the market like PF100. The ratio of PF100 and white cement is 1:1.5, matching the color of concrete. A trial can be done to match the color as well. Mortar repair should not have high cement content as this will create cracks due to high heat of hydration in the paste to be used for repair. Major repair. If there is a major honeycomb, presence of void in the concrete are not visible to the eye and the depth is beyond a depth of 50 mm in the concrete, then use of epoxy mortar or injection grouted material by the use of pressure grouting has to be done by the applicators from required concrete repair agency. If the honeycomb is visible and can be removed by chisel, then the repairs can be done by mortar made with GP2 in 2 layers. This has to be used after removal of all loose concrete. Second, in no case repair should be allowed without inspection and all repairs should be under strict supervision of senior engineers and as per the approved method statements. These documents to be maintained during the production and pouring of concrete. Number 1. Batch sheet after moisture correction. Number 2. Dispatch slip. Number 3. Pour card. In case you have any questions, please send your questions on the email mentioned on the screen. Thank you. Happy learning.